Good afternoon, everybody. This is Bob Iacchino from Path Trading Partners, along with Mike Arnold, my co-founder. It is October 8th, and this is a Path Chat educational update covering cryptocurrencies. This is going to cover Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin. Pretty uneventful day in Bitcoin Cash. Not much movement at all, a little bit lower. Bitcoin, on the other hand, a decent-sized rally. So let me turn it over to Mike to show you how he is doing his analysis on Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin. Mike, it's all yours.
Thank you, Bob. Bitcoin Cash US dollar moved back up into the rotation zone on the 4-hour. You see rotation zone resistance, couldn't get a key close above it, pushing back down. Now, if we do push back below 348, we have a potential double bottom setup. It has to move back below 348 first, but we're putting it out there now in case it moves back down, then rotates back up before we get another video out. Then we'd be watching for a close above the peak, which is officially 374.98, so the 375 level. And then there are three targets, 390, 398, and 406. You can see also the rotation zone on the 4-hour would be out of the way. We'll check in on the daily in a second. Now, if we do continue lower, the targets to the downside, we're holding at our redrawn trend line, which the new defining point is the low of 343.53 back on the 4th. If we break below that, we'll be watching for 335.84, so essentially 336 level, and then about 328.15 area, and then the next key level below that is 319. As long as it does not trade below this 328 level, this double bottom, this potential double bottom, let me say, is still in play. Looking at the daily chart, here's our daily chart. You can see it's going to be a higher probability double again if it does pull back and then gets above this. If also the 8 is out of the way and all the targets are within the rotation zone, so that could be a pretty nice move. But we're still going against the rotation zone on the daily, so the downward trend is still intact until we get this further price action or this potential double bottom, as I should call it, to be officially correct. Switching over to Bitcoin US dollar 240-minute chart, we got a key close above our new defining point on the trend line. The new defining point was 44.2580. The close here was 4,500 even, and that close also did take us into a clear path move. New GAN level projections back from the low on the 5th of October to the most recent swing high on the 7th. We already hit the 12.5% level right around this 45.50 area. The next level we're watching for is 45.91, essentially right below the 4600. And then the full target for this trend line trade is 46.31. Keep in mind there probably will be some resistance right around that 4600. If we do pull back, we have really nice rotation zone rising. We have very key support anywhere from about 44.68 to 44.32 rising rotation zone. Even if we came back down to kiss this trend line goodbye at the bottom of the rotation zone, that would be very bullish right around this 44.09. So you'd be watching for a pullback and then a rotation move back up. So this is definitely in bullish mode right now, favoring the long trades. Looking at the daily chart, you can see there's our next 46.31. Here's that 4600 level where we had some key resistance on the daily, which we've already mentioned. Above that, the next major level is the prior breakdown zone for this big candle from 47.18. Okay, and you see the rotation zone on the daily chart rising. The 8 EMA on the daily charts coming in with the kiss the trend line goodbye right around this 43.72 area. So, and on the daily, if we remain above 42.16, this key bodies low and the rising rotation zone, that will stay in a very strong bullish mode for Bitcoin. That's what we have for you in Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin. Turning it back over to you, Bob.
Cheers, guys. Thanks for watching. Really good Money Path podcast released this week, so check that out at pathtradingpartners.com or type in the Money Path podcast into Google Play or iTunes, and check out all our other videos. We've got a bunch of videos up on our YouTube channel that explain to you the analysis that Mike just showed you. Hit like, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and leave us a comment. We will talk to you in the next Path Chat. Cheers, guys.